In this video, I'm going to challenge you to commit to paying off debt for 3 months in 2025. I'm going to be blunt because you may think that becoming debt free isn't possible, but I'm going to explain to you how it is. Also, I'll share 3 things with you that you need to increase your chances to succeed. So what's the first thing you need to do to become debt free? I'm glad you asked that question. In fact, I got my little note card here and I'm going to focus in on 3 topics that are going to help you to be successful. So you want to become debt free, right? What are 3 things you need to become debt free? In fact, let me start with this question. What has kept you from becoming debt free? Is it you didn't think you become debt free? You want to build your credit? That's something you ever thought about? Drop in the comments below. Let me know your struggle with becoming debt free. All right, so what's the first thing you need to pay off your debt? The first thing you need is to stay committed. Commit to the process, right? No matter whether you're trying to lose weight, pay off debt, save, become a better husband, whatever the issue is with your life when you're committing, you must be willing to say, hey, I have a problem and I'm willing to commit to doing whatever it takes to make the change in my life. Your finances is no different. So if you want to become debt free, you must commit to that particular goal. In fact, our culture says borrow money, build your credit, right? I want you to go against the grain, against the culture, and say, all right, for 90 days, 3 months, I am dedicated, committing myself to not spending on my credit card. Because what if you keep spending? What's going to happen to you? You're going to still be in debt this time next year in 2026. So commitment is important. In fact, before I got married, my wife and I went to like 2 sessions of marriage counseling, right? And her bishop said, what's going to keep you married is not love, it's commitment. Because there are going to be days when you don't like each other. And he was right. So marriages stay together, not because of love, but because of commitment. So in order for you to pay off this debt, you must commit to the process of being out of debt. If you want to make better decisions with your finances, stop overspending, and stop impulse spending, get you a free resource, the free money plan budget tracker at thecartergrading.com. This is how you're going to really transform your finances in 2025. The second thing you need to do is create a money plan. What is a money plan? A money plan is simply a budget. A money plan is going to help you in your process to become debt free because you're going to put your debt payments on the money plan. It's not going to just happen overnight. It's going to happen with a plan. In fact, I believe people struggle financially because they don't have a money plan. If you don't have a plan for your money, you'll be broke. That's right, broke. In fact, CareerBuilder says that 78% of people are struggling in America. And I believe wholeheartedly people struggle financially because they don't have a money plan. In fact, I did a video that talked about how to do a money plan, and I want you to watch it after this video. But let's continue. You need to first commit to the process of becoming debt free. Secondly, you need to do a money plan. And lastly, pay off debt. That's right, pay off your debt. How do you pay off your debt? Well, having that mindset of, all right, I'm going to decide to commit to the process, paying off debt. No matter what my friends say or my family members say, no matter what everyone else around me is telling me to do, I'm going to do contrary to what they're doing because what they're doing is not good for my life because I'm staying in debt, right? But I want to get out of debt. So I can't listen to my naysayers, my friends, my family members, or people, my coworkers who want me to continue to build my credit and stay in debt. Secondly, you're going to do a money plan, all right? You're going to do a money plan to pay off debt. And third, pay off the debt. Now, the system is really simple. It's called the debt crusher method. And I do a video about it too, but it's simple. Basically, you want to put your debts in order from the tiniest one to the biggest one, regardless of interest rate. And you want to pay the minimum payment on everything except the smallest one. The tiniest one you want to attack with a vengeance. You want to say, I'm going to pay off this debt with a passion. I want you to get so mad and so excited that you say, ah, I want to get out of debt and stay out of debt because it's your future depends on this. Your financial future depends on you paying off this debt because if you stay in debt, you'll stay broke. That's simple. So once you put the debts in order, pay the minimum of everything, you're going to attack the smallest one until it's paid off. Once that money is paid off, the debt's paid off for that one, move that momentum from the first one to the second one. Pay the minimum on everything and go hamburger on that first one because you want to get out of debt as fast as possible. You got 90 days to make this happen. So if you are tired of being in debt, this is your time right now to help you to pay off debt. In fact, check this out. I want you to comment in below in this video, comment the word debt. Why? Because I want to send you a resource that can help you to get out of debt faster. That's right. So if you struggle with getting organized with your finances, I created a video explaining in detail how to create and commit to a money plan or budget. Watch it here, and I'll see you there.